There it comes. Woo!
Hey everybody, I'm Audrey. I'm Asher.
I'm Taylor.
I'm Mom.
And we're
The Backpack. Today we're going to make hot cocoa bombs. What you'll need is chocolate, marshmallows if you'd like it marshmallowy, sprinkles if you'd like it sprinkly, some food dye if you want it colored, and of course the hot cocoa mix and some molds.
Silicone molds work best so you can pop out the chocolate without it breaking so much. And make sure your chocolate is good melting chocolate.
Yeah, Mom just gave me a haircut and now I'm gonna turn into Dr. Strange. Okay, let's get on to the video. First, you need to melt your chocolate.
So what we suggest is putting some melting chocolate in a coffee mug and microwaving it for 30 seconds at a time, stirring in between until it's ready and melted so you can then start painting it up the sides of the mold.
Flavored chocolates we have are caramel, milk chocolate,
and vanilla.
And we've got Lucky Charms marshmallows, mini marshmallows, and then we found some cool rainbow marshmallows. There are a lot of really cool options out there for marshmallows.
Yes.
And you can get any sprinkles you want, any colors and flavors you want.
Thank you for finally getting that.
Oh, smell it.
Wait, I want to smell.
The caramel.
That's like butterscotch.
The caramel smells good. Hey, don't eat the sprinkles. All right, so these are about 2-inch silicone circles, and we recommend about 1.5 teaspoons of melted chocolate. So you're gonna take it and put it into the bottom, and now you're gonna quickly paint it up the sides. It's not gonna be perfect. It's gonna have some gaps because this is just the first layer. You'll want to do 2 to 3 layers depending on how sturdy it's looking, and refrigerate them for a few minutes in between.
I'm gonna use some of the white to make pink.
Just make sure you get it all the way up to the top.
I'm gonna put these in the fridge for 5 minutes.
We're gonna put them in the fridge for 5 minutes.
Cool, except
Now I'm gonna put mine in the fridge for 5 minutes.
Alright, I'm gonna put these ones in. This is the first layer.
Now we're gonna plop them out of our molds. Plop them out.
Let's not flop them though.
Oh,
You wanna
no.
go super
Another
careful, really careful. Go real slow, careful.
This-
That one didn't make it.
No, back.
No, there's no back.
No,
That one didn't make it.
You're not Wanda. You can't reverse reality.
This part you gotta be really gentle with. It might be better for us to turn them upside down. Oh, that one just broke at the top. Broken heart.
We're gonna flip these over to put the hot cocoa mix in.
All right, so I'm gonna come through and give 1 scoop of hot chocolate to each, or less if it doesn't fit, but it's still a lot of good chocolate. And then you get to add what other ingredients you want, such as your marshmallows or sprinkles.
Anything.
Yeah.
Now I'm gonna put in some. Now it tastes. I opened the bag. I'm gonna eat one. I'm gonna use them. I want some of these marshmallows.
Here, where's this circle?
These marshmallows will be in this
Can you
one.
give me the circle?
Mom, a problem.
Looks like you need to downgrade your amount of marshmallows.
What you need now is a hot pan.
Make sure an adult helps out with this part. So I've just heated up a pan and it's still warm. And what we're gonna do now is we're going to grab the tops of each hot cocoa bomb and we're just gonna set it down on there, and it doesn't take long at all, doesn't take a whole lot of heat, and the chocolate starts melting.
Mom, hurry.
Okay, so you take it and you carefully fit it on top, line it up, and it'll start to dry together. And then what we're gonna do is we're going to take a bag of melted chocolate or caramel and pipe it around there and seal it in. So we're gonna remove this now and we're gonna get some piping bags with melted chocolate to finish them off. So just run your finger along. Now you could put a glove on to make it smoother or use a paintbrush.
Now we're going to show you how to use the hot cocoa bomb. It's really easy. You just put it in and add some hot water over it. You can also use milk, but we prefer water.
Oh,
That
there it
one
comes.
was-
Woo!
That looks so funny. Yeah.
Fun, fun. Now we'll stir that, but first, let's
My
do
turn.
this one.
This one I made. Let's see the first one. It's
Fun.
so wonderful. These make good gifts to give away, or if there's a day you can't figure out anything to do, and you have some molds laying around and some chocolate that can melt,
There you go.
and hot cocoa mix, make hot cocoa bomb!
That's it.
Make sure to like.
And subscribe.
And turn on your post notifications!
And please comment if you give it a try. We'd love to hear about it.
We'll see you next time.
Bye.
To do that. Look at them. We'll put a close up for you so you can look at them. Look at them. I guess you can't look at them.
Careful, don't spill it.
But close ups probably will work. Yeah.
We'll see you then next. We don't say
We'll
see you
see
all.
y'all.
No,
No,
it's not
see
all.
y'all.
We'll see
See
you
y'all.
next. See
No.
you next time. Andre can see
We'll
you
see
all.
y'all.
Want some more marshmallows in there, bud?
Sure. 2 angles at a time. No, not. So the way it works is you need. Give us it back. Let's go. You never do it. Let's get on to the video. So
Oh, I went the wrong way.
So
I went.
Go this way?
I don't know what way.
we go this way.
Okay.
We'll see you next
time.
Make sure to like.
Hold on, hold on. I don't want you making noise. You either get in the video or you get out of the room.
shoe at my leg.
Okay.
I will put these in the fridge.
Nope, that's my line.
Doesn't help when the fridge is open.
You made that weird.
We did it. Where is it?
Not me.
That's why we need to keep all these in one box that we pull out.
Oh, I'm taking out all the parts of you talking.
Well, might as well just delete the video. Today we're going to be making hot cocoa bombs. You guys are supposed to say that too. Ask yourself. Please say words for me talking. What kind of paintbrush spray?
I don't know how much battery this camera has in it, so I know it's 100, and I just don't know how long 100 lasts. So we should probably.
Oh,
I think I ate too much combo because I'm acting crazy.
hi everybody. I'm still working on it.
The masterpiece. I'm keeping it.
We go through the Lucky Charms and this stuff.
I'm gonna put this in my special box.
You're so right.
And then
Those are weird. The white.
The whites, huh?
And the smoothie video, they did not let me in. They only let Lily in. And today, they're letting me in. So, I hope you enjoyed.
thank you.
Thank you
for watching.
Thank you for watching.
Thank you. Next time, what? There won't be a next time.
Next time we do a crowded project together.
Okay, that looks good.
Can I get a hang
So now you're going to do.
When I'm ready, I'm gonna dance.
So what you need now is a
Hot pan.
Okay, well, this is very good. So I'm gonna finish drinking this. So bad.